Recording your voice with WizWrite is what it's all about, and taking the custom AI action that we just built, I'm going to show you two methods that you can go about. One, doing the transcription within WizWrite, and two, how to get the AI output. So let's first do the recording without any auto AI actions running at all. So all I need to do is I need to click this record button, and then I need to talk what I want to talk. So let's do that right now. I was using WizWrite last night to create a lot of tasks for my team. It was great to be able to send the AI outputs directly to my task management software using the webhook integration function. So you'll see I recorded, and now it's going to do the transcription for me. I can see that I have the audio file here. If I want to delete that, I can simply click the X. If I want to listen to the file, I can hit the play button, or I can download it to my computer. We then have the transcription, and you'll see what I mentioned on a previous video with the AI not necessarily knowing the name of the business specifically. It can trip up sometimes on brands that it doesn't know. There is a simple way to fix this though, and I'll show you that in just a second. So we have our transcript here, and then we have a bunch of icons on the right side here. The first is the pin icon. If you have another bit of content that you want to act as a transcript later down the road, so you can sort of daisy chain the AI actions, you can do so by just pinning a different piece of content. We have an edit button, which is great because what I want to do is I want to edit this now. So what I can do is I can just come in, I can fix that up, I can hit save, and bam, it's been edited, it's been fixed. I can save this to my favorites if I like it, so I can hit the heart button to do that. If I want to copy the text output, I can do so by clicking the button. If I want to rerun an AI action, I can click the next button. If I want to copy the transcript ID, I can click that button, and that's useful for Zapier and other automations. And if I want to fire this off with a webhook, I can hit this button and it's going to do that. So now we have our transcript. If we want to run an AI action, we can do so by clicking the AI actions in the top here. From here, I can see all of my AI actions that I have, or I can filter to the ones that I want to use. For this example, I'm just going to use the funny WizWrite posts. And once I have selected that, I can hit run AI action. You'll notice that we have this processing thing at the top here, and you see that we have our output. We have absolutely Stuart. Here's a playful social media post to get some buzz going. Ever had a brilliant idea at 2 a.m. but your typing fingers are too sleepy to keep up? Last night I leaned on WizWrite, blah, 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 blah. Looks good to me. Perfect. I could totally use that. So then I could edit that if I wanted to, or I could send it directly where I need it to. Say I had somebody taking care of my social media, I could send it to a Slack channel, I could send it to a Discord channel, I could send it to Notion, I could send it anywhere, and they would be able to use that. If I thought that I could get a better output and I wasn't happy with that, then I could rerun it by clicking this button over here, and it's going to run that again. And we're just going to get the output in a second. So you see that we have a second version here. And one of the other things that I think is important to go over with WizWrite is that you're not constrained to just running one AI action at a time. So say you need multiple for the same transcript. What I can do is I can come in and say, okay, I want this one, the funny WizWrite posts. I want to use the surfer bro. I want to create an X thread. I want to create a Reddit post. So we have 4 now queued up. And if I click run AI actions, what it's going to do is it's going to run one after the other. So you'll see one come up, the funny WizWrite post, the surfer bro, into the X thread, into the Reddit post, and I have a bunch of different content that I can use. And it was really that simple to do. Super easy, super awesome. And that is one way to do it. So this example, we've shown you using Transcribe without any AI actions automatically set up. We've then gone in, we've edited the transcript, and then we've gone in and ran the AI actions in the session view, which is the session view here. And what I want to show you now is if we have AI actions automatically set up. So instead of taking this multi-step approach, we can set this all up in a single way. So let's get into that now. We're going to click the speaker icon to go back to this page. And if I want to then set up the AI actions that I want to use, I can do so. So I'm going to click this one, do the Reddit post, I'm going to do the X thread, and I'm going to do the surfer bro. I'm going to hit save on that. You'll see that it then shows me these on this page because these are queued up to run. And the only thing left for me to do is to do the recording again. So let's do that now. It was really great to use WizWrite last night. I had a ton of tasks to set up for the team for the next week, and I simply spoke my thoughts into WizWrite. It gave me comprehensive tasks out, which I then triggered a webhook for to send to my assistant. And I woke up in the morning and all the tasks were there, all of the due dates were there, everything was done, everything was perfect. Awesome, awesome. So I recorded, I've done the transcription. The transcription is going to appear. You'll see that appears here. You'll see that we now have processing at the top, and without actually going in and clicking the AI actions and queuing them up, you'll see that they are all coming. So we have the funny WizWrite post, we have the Reddit post, we have the X thread, and we have the surfer bro output. So this is really quite cool, and it can be a way to save time. Now, if there are moments when you are creating content and you know that the AI possibly won't know the name of a brand, then by doing the recording first and the AI actions after, so you can ensure that you fixed up the transcript, it can be quite a valuable thing to do. But if there's something where it shouldn't be tripped up at all, then running the transcript and the AI actions in an automatic fashion can be beneficial for your content generation needs. So I hope this has been helpful in learning about how you can simply record your voice and turn it into actionable insights by using WizWrite. And it's super fast, super easy to use. The next thing we're going to look at is uploading an audio file into the system.